Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. Here's a question for you. Can you grow onions in a GreenStalk vertical planter? That's the challenge for me, and I thought I would bring you along to see if I can do it. These are some red onions that I started, the variety called red grano onions that I started. I got from Haas, and I've cut them back, the tops of them off twice. And I believe that they are now ready to go in the ground. So what I'm going to do is take them out of the container that they're in and separate them. And then we're going to go over to the GreenStalk and plant them. And as you can see, we have some really good root development here. So I'm going to try to separate them without disturbing the roots too much. Okay, we've got them all separated, and I'm not sure how many there is, I didn't count, but we're going to go ahead and prepare the GreenStalk and then go over and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, on this particular GreenStalk planter, there are 5 towers, or rows. So what I'm going to do is put onions in 3 of them. The first one I'm going to do is this one, and before I do anything, I'm going to spread some newly made potting soil in the planting areas. And I'll put a link up in the top of the video showing you how, referring you to a video that I made a while back showing how I make my potting soil. Okay, there are 6 planting areas, so I'm going to put 6 onions in. press down, put the onion in, and cover it up. This one has a lot of roots, so I don't want to damage it. We're going to press down and then cover up. Here's another one with a lot of roots. Gently press down and take the roots with me and cover up. And the last one for this tower, this row. Okay, I'm going to get some water in my watering can and water this particular set in. Okay, we're back, and now we're going to put in the second set of onions. Again, we're going to put some fresh potting soil on top. And we're going to put 6 onions in. And the last one. Now we're going to water in. Put the drip tray back in for this row. And put the top back on. more soil. And we're going to even it out. And we're going to put 6 onions in here as well, even though I have one planting area that has a collard green in it. And the last one. We're going to water in. And we put the watering bowl back on top. Okay, so we have in the top 3 rows, forgive my neighbor's dog, in the top 3 rows, we have 18 onions, and I still have some left. So I think I'm going to plant some here. I have 4 open spaces. So probably put 2 in each and go from here. One and 2 here. Trying to put about 6 inches between each onion. what do you know? Just enough spaces to get all of them in. Hopefully that's a good sign. Okay, we're going to get some water and water these in and then come back. Okay, as you can see, we have freshly planted onions in the top 3 tiers of the GreenStalk. So we're going to track the progress of these. Sometimes in the near future, I'm going to start fertilizing them with ammonium sulfate, and that will help them turn green, but will also help them bulb more when that process is ready, or begins rather. And here we have the 2 and 4 planting areas that I put in. So that makes 12 plus 8. So we have 20 red onions, and hopefully we'll get 20 decent sized red onions back. So I want to thank you for coming along while I did this. I've seen other YouTubers that have GreenStalk planters plant a variety of things, including onions in them. So I thought I would give it a try. Wish me luck. If you got something out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. First and foremost, it's free. Secondly, it helps me. I'm less than 300 away from a significant milestone for me, 25K. And for those of you that have subscribed, I am tremendously grateful and glad that you have done so and helped me along the way. 3.5 years ago when I started this channel, I didn't imagine that I would have this many subscribers, but it's truly a blessing and I am greatly appreciative of it. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in any of the seeds or products that I use in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website and you can get some good deals there. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.